Take control of your digital footprint and keep your Instagram world just for you. Today, we're diving into how to make your Instagram account private, ensuring only the people you want to see your posts can actually see them. First things first, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your profile. You'll find your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, which is your menu button. Tap on that to open up the main menu. In the menu, you'll see a variety of options. We need to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to proceed to the settings. Now you're in the Settings and Privacy section. Scroll down slightly until you find the Account Privacy. Heading underneath this heading, you'll see an option for Private Account. This is the magic button. You'll see a toggle switch next to Private Account. Tap on this switch to turn it on. It will usually turn blue or indicate it's active. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your decision. A small pop-up will appear asking, "Switch to private account." Read the confirmation and tap Switch to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram account private. You'll now notice a small padlock icon next to your username at the top of your profile, indicating your account is private. From now on, only people who you approve will be able to follow you and see your posts, stories, and reels. New follower requests will appear in your notifications, giving you complete control over who enters your private Instagram space.